What's up, everybody? My name is Brent with Milwaukee Tool, and I'm at United Tool and Fasteners today to talk about our MX fuel line. Back in 2020, Milwaukee released the MX fuel line going after those gas and corded units on a job site. We understand the user's frustration from going and trying to start a gas equipment and it not starting, fighting the spark plugs, and then also the dangers that the CO2 emissions have. And also tripping hazards on the extension cords. We released the MX fuel line back in 2020 with about 6 or 7 tools, and now here we are a few years later with over 15 solutions all in the same battery. So today, I'm here to show y'all and talk about our new Forge batteries, your 8.0 and your 12.0. Going into the Forge XC 8.0, you're gonna get 33% more runtime than that current XC 6.0. And it'll charge in 45 minutes on our new rapid charger. The Forge HD 12.0 is 2 times more runtime than that 6.0 and will charge in 65 minutes on our new charger. This is gonna allow you to get back to work faster and maximize your productivity. And then also, you're gonna see our supercharger. You're getting 2 times faster charging. That's gonna be able to get you back on that job site and maximize that productivity once again. Biggest thing you're gonna see on here is it says cool cycle. Whenever you plug your battery in, it is pushing air through the battery, cooling that battery off, getting it ready to get back on the tool. And then also on the top, you're gonna see a handle, allowing you to bring it around the job site, making it more portable and easier to carry around. There's a huge change from job sites going from gas to cordless. And one day, these job sites will be completely cordless. I don't know when, might be in a few years or might be years later, but Milwaukee will be the one leading that charge. So if you haven't seen these MX Fuel batteries and tools, be sure to stop by United Tool and Fasteners branch and check them out today.